Question 2 of this exercise says construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So let's start with the steps of construction. Draw BC equals 6 cm with B and C as centers and radii 5 cm and 4 cm respectively. Draw arcs to intersect at A and triangle ABC is obtained. So let's draw BC that equals 6 cm. So this is BC and that equal 6 cm. Now we'll put the compass at B and we'll measure the opening as 5 cm and we'll draw an arc like this. Again we'll put the compass at C and we'll measure the opening of the compass as 4 cm and we'll draw another arc that intersects this arc like this. And we name this point of intersection as A. Then we need to join A to B and A to C. So we have got triangle ABC. Now in the next step, draw ray BX making an acute angle with BC. So with BC we have to draw a ray BX like this. So we'll name this point as X. So this is ray BX. Now in the next step we have to mark 3 points on BX, B1, B2, B3 such that B1, B1, B2 and B2, B3 are equal. So we'll draw B1, B2, B3 like this. Now in the next step we need to join B3C. So we need to draw a line like this. And from B2 we need to draw a line parallel to the line of B3C that intersect BC at C'. So we'll draw a line like this and we'll mark the point of intersection as C'. Now in the next step we need to draw a line from C' that is parallel to AC and we'll mark the point of intersection as A'. And we have got AB as 5 cm and AC as 4 cm. And then we'll draw a line parallel to the line of AC. So we'll draw a line like this and we'll mark the point of intersection as A'. So we have got A', B, C' as the required triangle. Now let's prove this construction. In triangle B3C, B2C' is parallel to B3C and from basic proportionality theorem we will get B2 B3 divided by B2 equals C' divided by BC' equal 1 by 2. Now we need to add 1 to both the sides. So we will get BC divided by BC' that equal 3 by 2, or we can say BC' divided by BC that equal 2 by 3. Now triangle BA', C' is similar to triangle BAC by AAA similarity criteria. So we can say that BA' by BA equals C' A' by CA equal BC' by BC equal 2 by 3.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.